business? Suppose you are MBA student, you completed MBA successfully. Generally, before you go to interview, what you prepare? Some subject questions, some kind of communication skills. You can just revise yourself. You can have a lot of questions in your mind. How I can face the interview? How can I answer the questions to the interviewer? Like that, you are preparing yourself. Finally, in the interview room, you need to sell yourself. Like, I am MBA student. I completed from SRK Institute of Technology, right? I have some 75% of marks, right? I did my degree from particular university. I have good academic record. I have good communication skills. What about all this? You are selling yourself, right? You are selling in effective manner or general way? Tell me. So you want to sell yourself in effective way or in general way? Effective way. If you can sell yourself in effective way, then only they can buy you, right? You buy you means of what? They can take into job and they can offer some salary. Yes or no? So here, in general selling, in general telling about yourself is not enough. The effective thing is important. That's why this topic is most relevant for you guys. Effective sales and marketing strategies. Okay, I'm talking about you, but coming to the real topic. So, coming to entrepreneurs and startups. Generally, first we should aware of who is an entrepreneur and what is startup. Right? Every MBA graduate, not only in your institute, you take any institute in the country, in the world, they have a dream of to start a business. Right? Even though it is not possible for them, definitely they can dream of it. Majority of the people, they want to start their own business. Some people want to be an entrepreneur like that. First, let me explain you what is the difference between entrepreneur and startup. Right? So here these slides are not reading in front of you and tell you this kind of lecture I am not going to deliver. You can read there who is an entrepreneur, what is startup. If you read both, there is a slight difference you can observe. An entrepreneur is a person is going to start a business with the help of the people and everything, right? But that business may be relevant to existing businesses in the market. Maybe innovative thing may be there. The product may be relevant to the existing businesses. In case of startups, if you observe, he will go to start a business with a new product which is not existing in the earlier, right? That too in innovative way by taking high risk to get higher profits. But entrepreneurs' objective also like that. That slight difference is in startups you are going with a new business, right? Next. If you observe here, I am going to show you some kind of key characteristics related to entrepreneurs and startups. If you observe, entrepreneurs always take some kind of initiative things regarding to start a particular business related to anything, right? Next, accepts risk and uncertainty, brings innovation, organizes land, labor, capital, aims for profit and growth. These are in general, you know that, right? Every entrepreneur, they want to start any business you take. They want to get what? Profit.